to the other side.
Uncle Fred! You know you want it! Come on! There is Tim, and he is in...
That's her dad.
My dad. And this is coming from to you live from the Neely Farm Pool.
Okay.
With me.
Yes?
Just so everybody knows what's going on, I'm going to check my
That
understanding.
is Mr. Dan Morvac speaking.
It's a 25-meter relay.
We'll see how good parents can
There are 5
And that is Miss Conway up in lane 1.
We are going to start on the starting end, and we are going to end where the 8 and unders end on the other end of the pool. The participants who are less mature than the other participants will actually swim, one of them will swim an extra lap. Okay? Everybody prepare.